I miss the boat that ship has sailed, or any other metaphor to say I feel I failed at becoming what I hoped that I would be by 36. It breaks my heart to tally all the chances that I've missed, made a right mess of it. I miss the boat, it's not enough to be alone. It used to be, but now there's simply nowhere I belong. I'm not a child, but I don't do the things a man should do. I live just for myself, and I feel painfully untrue to the dreams I once knew. I miss the boat, I miss the boat that ship has sailed, or any other metaphor to say I feel I failed at becoming what I hoped that I would be by 36. It breaks my heart to tally all the chances that I've missed, made a right mess of it. I miss the boat,